Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust volume and sound settings on Apple Watch SE 3. If you want to adjust the media playback volume, you have to open the control center by pressing the side button on your Apple Watch, then scroll down the dials using your digital crown until you find this speaker icon. If you tap on it, you'll be able to change your media playback volume by moving this bar either to the top to increase your volume or to the bottom to decrease it. And if you move it all the way to the bottom, you will mute the audio on your Apple Watch. To apply changes, just exit this menu by either tapping X icon or pressing either digital crown or the side button. And if you want to change the sound for your ringtones and notifications, you have to press the digital crown to open the app library, then scroll down to settings app, and once you find it, open it. Then here you're gonna have to scroll down to sounds and haptics menu and open it too. And now disable automatically adjust volume by switching this toggle to the left. And now you can adjust the volume for your ringtones and your notifications by either tapping these two icons, this one to decrease and this one to increase the sound, or just by tapping just by tapping in the middle to select this option, and then changing the sound volume using your digital crown. And that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.